Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to install a child theme on a WordPress website. First thing you're gonna have to do, you need to install this extension called child theme configurator. So when you're done installing it, please activate the plugin, and then after that you're gonna have to come on tools. From tool you click child theme. Okay, from here you're gonna have to select a theme that you want to create a child for. So I'm going to select my theme. I'm gonna select Astra because this is my favorite. I already installed it. I'm gonna select it, and then you click analyze. Okay, that's fine, perfect. This theme appear, okay, that's perfect. And then you go down and then you click create a new child theme. Create, and the child have been created. As you can see here, child theme Astra have been generated. So I'm gonna preview, click here. Yeah, as you can see here, this is my Astra child theme. You can see here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click activate and publish. Now let's go to our themes and see if we are definitely using the child theme. As you can see here, I got the main theme, that Astra, and then here we got our child's theme. So this is very easy. So this is how you create a child theme on WordPress. I hope this video will help someone who doesn't know how to do it. Thank you for watching this video. Ciao.